Hey guys, today we're gonna look at how to change your profile picture in Google. Go to Google and click on your temporary profile picture and click on the camera icon. And you will see the screen. You can go upload your pictures and also upload it from files. So now, double click on the file and you should see your image here. And you can also crop it. After you've done cropping, select set as a profile picture, the blue button. So now it will automatically save your profile picture.